Hi guys, welcome back. In this van we've got windows all around, bonus, but the only thing is you've got to cover them of a night time. One, for privacy, and two, for in the morning when the light comes through. So we've had to come up with an idea for curtains. Not trying to invent the wheel there, but I don't want to pay prices for certain sites with how much some of them cost. I don't want to pay that. It is expensive. So for instance, with our back windows, we've got little ones, and because this is custom size for us, it's going to be hard to get ready-made curtains for these. So what I've done was, for there and for there, on Amazon I bought a blackout curtain, which is blackout. Here we go. And what I've done, you might have seen them in a previous video where we done the thermo blinds for the front of the van. I added wrong row, clips, sucker pads. So I'll add the link for these here as well, and these are perfect. So what we done was we cut the curtain to fit, added a little bit extra on it, added sucker plates in 3 of them on there. So as you can see, 1, 2, 3, simply suck them onto the window. Perfect. See if I can do this with one hand. So there's 1, 2, 3. Obviously that's just one hand. They do go on better, I promise. So simple as that. And then to take them off, literally put your finger underneath, and then we store these behind there. There you go. So we've done that on this window, the opposite window, and also for the kitchen window as well, which goes into the kitchen. There we go. This one normally stays up here, which normally gets tucked back a little bit. And again, sucker pads. A bit tricky when I'm trying to look for the camera. Pull it across. There we go. You see, not quite got it on. Needs to be moved over a little bit. There you go. And then the same again for there. Another sucker pad. This side we have done it a bit different. Excuse the mess. I've got the bunk beds set up. Just move them down out the way. Many apologies. So here, rather than buying the standard ones that you can get, I've decided to make my own. So we measured on the blackout blind what we needed, added an extra inch, and then the wife very patiently and kindly sewed across to give us an area where we can shove a net line. I'm not sure what it's called actually, to be fair. It's the old curtain nets. So managed to put a few screws in at the top and at the bottom, and there we go. Nice and easy. I'm trying to do it with one hand. Hey presto. There you go. No light coming through there at all. So definitely recommend, if you're making your own, to buy this stuff. It's easy to cut, it's cheap, and it's good quality. Highly recommend it. At the back, we're just going to do the same again, but we had some of the bedding left over, so we've just done our own little thing for there. I might add some of the black if I can get some more. So there we go, that is my cheap alternative to generic campervan curtains and blinds. As I said, for the front, we did check online. I'm not going to name any companies, but the one that we was looking at was £35 for one window, and with how big our window is, it wouldn't have been a tight fit, it would have been loose. So for instance, if we needed to cover all of our windows, that would have been 70, 140, nearly £200 just on curtains, not including the back ones. So to us, £200 is a lot of money when that could be spent on something else. So especially when our idea has come in at what, about £15 to cover all the windows. So it's definitely one way of saving some money. It's different as well, easy to do, you haven't got to screw into anything, so it can be of help. A lot of people do actually go to IKEA. There's some blinds in IKEA which I think are about £5, and they're like a fan system, so they're zigzag and then they lift up and down. They can get cut down to size and used as well. They are good. I don't think they block out as much light as these do, because these are blackout. Now when you look online and people say blackout blinds, sometimes you can see through them. These, you can't see through these. So I'll add the link to these in the bottom, to the curtains and to the sucker pads. But yeah, I do hope this has helped. It's ideal for us, perfect, because we do like doing things our own way and on a budget, and it's even better bonus when they work. So as I say, I do hope this has helped. I'll add all the links in the bottom in the comments for the things that we've used, so feel free to have a look at them. If it's helped, give it a thumbs up. Any ideas or comments, please feel free to add them below. See you on the next video. Take care all.